As a major trend, machines for small parts assembly become smaller and smaller with more and more functions integrated. Definitely the same with your machines. My name is Jochen Luig, Global Product Manager for Linear Motion at Festo, and with a new ELGC and EGSC desktop handling system, I'd like to share some interesting information with you. The system is based on a new generation of 2-spout axis, ball screw axis and electric mini slides, which are able to convince with smallest dimensions even for longest strokes. To give you an example, with the ELGC 2-spout actuators and ball screw actuators, you can save up to 200 millimeters of overall length compared to existing Festo actuators. With its integrated recirculating ball bearing guides, it's perfectly prepared for precise positioning and payloads up to 40 kJs. The EGSC mini slide is the ideal actuator for vertical operations in multi-axis systems. Linear axis and mini slides can be combined directly without any adapter blades thanks to perfect aligned interfaces. Your advantage? Fastest realizations of space-optimized handling solutions and flexible combinations of actuators sized from 25 to 80 millimeters. No matter if it's linear gantries, spatial gantries or cantilevers, be ready for compact and cost-effective handling solutions with the ELGC and EGSC system.